Drawing tools. You can use the drawing tools to add elements to your map and create engaging activities with your students. For example, you can add a range of markers to your map and even modify their colors. You can add shapes, such as polygons, by clicking on the map to set the corners of the shape and double-clicking to finish. It is also possible to draw lines to connect two buildings or mark specific paths. You can label your map Art Center and drag and reposition the text anywhere on the map. You can measure the length of a line by selecting the measurement icon and clicking on the line. Images can be added directly to your map by uploading them, and you can display grid lines to help align elements. The buffer tool is another helpful feature, allowing you to highlight areas around a point, line, or shape. Drawings can also be modified after they are created, offering flexibility.